friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will open a Hot Wheel. So, can I say box? This is red and white. The writing is white and black. White and red, I forgot. So let's open it. So can I say scissors? So let's open it. I hope it works. We're almost here. I think. I'll use my thing. Here we go. We'll open the whole thing. Oh my god, I can actually see it. Let's open the whole thing. Ooh, can you already see the cards? Oh! I've been through the cards. Oh my gosh. How many cards I put? The floor, no. Okay, so let's put all of them in the back. So this one's in the no. Which one is in? So we can start with this one. This one? Yes. Okay. So we got this one. Okay, so this one's in the here. And this was here. This one. Okay. Is this the need for? Yep, it's this. This is this part. No. Okay, let's see. What's quite? I think this. I have to go to this one. Oh my goodness! I don't know. I don't remember. Whatever. So let's open. So let's take it out. So got this card, red. It's 18.6. And we have this one. So correct. I don't know what's the number, but I see Hot Wheels. And I got this one. So cool, shiny, mighty. And this is red and silver, red and black. And these are red and silver, and he looks like a balloon of the face. Put here. Now we put it and we be a little bit of it. One. Look at my eyes. What I'm doing. And clown. And I got this card, 18 again. So funny. We put it here. Now, just one we wanted. 18 again. I rolled 18. So I got this. And you know, I'm a big fan of these cars. So this goes faster than because it would go faster, like from the table, it go like fall and then make a big noise like this. So let's have all the right. So this can actually rain. Put this first, put the second, third, fourth, and fifth. I cannot push them also. I have to put in the turns. And you know, the slowest one is this one. Look. So this one is medium. So I push it a bit slower. This go a bit hard. Oh my god, that's catching up. That is catching up. And you know what smell looks like? This bro. Say what happened? And they took us to the hospital to fix them. And they did okay, so they go faster. Woo! Woo! Okay. Woo! Oh, that is all right. I'll do it again once. Woo! I actually crushed this one. Look. Oh! That was so cool. Look. Oh! It's like another course. Whoa! This one actually kicks this one. So that was so cool. Let's do this one with this one. Okay, you know this one. Whoa! That is all I have. Do like this. Whoa! That is all I have. This one was very exciting. Oh! Have you saw that? And comment down below which car do you like? This one, or this one, or this one, or this one in the thingy, I don't know what's that called, and this one. And don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share, and give a like. Bye bye. Next video. Bye then. Have a nice